What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like everybody says like, what's up, you guys? I don't know. I need to come up with a better catchphrase. Hey, guys. Oh, no, that's not even better. Okay. Okay, first things first. Please subscribe down below. Make sure you guys comment. Make sure you guys like it. I need all of that. Trying to build up my little subscriber members, and I love to hear from you guys. Honestly, I really do. It's really fun for me. So please do all of that. Without further ado, now we are going to start in. And I'm actually going to start today with the Morphe palette. And I'm going to start with the Such a Gem palette, right? So it is this one, which has been very loved, very, very loved. I love this palette. It's pretty epic. So I've already put on my foundation and my concealer. I have obviously done my eyebrows and I've concealed my eyes. So I'm going to start with this, and then I'm going to finish off for you on the very last finishing touches on my face as to what I would do for contouring and all that kind of fun stuff, because it's nighttime and we're going to be hot, right? Okay, so that was so stupid. I just totally did that. Whatever. Don't even give a shit. All right. So first things first, starting in with this color right here. Now, don't ask me the names. Don't freaking know the names. It is what it is. Gotta have a little sip of my Diet Mountain Dew. Do you guys love that my ring actually matches my earrings? You know, I just had to throw that out there because it brings me total joy. So there it is. Anyway, so starting off, going to go in with our transition color. This is what it's called. When you're going above the crease, you're going to go into your transition color. I'm going to try and figure out too. Like, I was watching a video the other day by Tati, and she was putting on her makeup, and she actually did like the first little bit. She explained it to you, told you what she was doing, and then she sped up the process. So you're still watching her do makeup, but she sped up the process, so you're not listening to her blab the whole time. So I need to figure that out. I cut my hand. I don't even know how I cut my hand. Ooh, this is a really nice color, actually. I'm feeling this. I just went in with my Sephora brushes, the gray little package that I got. This is my first brush that I'm going in with. So next, we're going to go in with... I feel like we're going to go in with the color right below it, right here. Now, this is going to be fun. So I hope she does this, and I hope that you guys do this, because honestly, like, we need to jazz it up here. I'm going in, by the way, Morphe 505. We need to jazz up our look. I feel like from day to night, you need to switch it up. You need to have a little bit of a darker, deeper look. It's just kind of fun. It's more sultry, sexy. Okay, so you guys notice I am not taking this. I'm starting right here in the outer corner right here, and I'm taking whatever's left over on the brush, and I'm going to pull it right into my crease, okay? So right there. Actually, I'm not going to put any more. I'm just going to go back to the side because I forgot to do it on this side. On that one for a minute. I just kept kind of reapplying and putting a little bit more on. I'm actually going to go into the first shade one more time, and I'm just going to go over the top just to soften it just a bit. We're actually just going to go right into this purple color. Now, you can go into this color. The difference between these two colors, one is brown, obviously, and one is purple, okay? So depending on your feeling, if you want to go brown, if you want to go purple, whatever you want to do, I suggest you jazz it up. Instead of going all browns, like, have some fun, let loose, do something different. I mean, there's really nothing wrong with this. I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush, the little angled one that I love so much, into that purple color because I want to. So outside corner, we're just going to pack on the color. You guys, you could have like amazing looks and nighttime looks and everything else without putting 50 shades on your eyes, right? You can do 3 colors, 4 colors and get away with it. You can put 2 colors on and probably get away with a pretty decent nighttime look. So don't stress yourself out by trying to try a bunch of different colors because you don't need to. A little bit more color right here. I'm going to do it into a triangular right out here. I'm darkening it right on the edges. So Oh my hell, I just said okay again. I am, like, I give up. Whatever. So I just did this. Now to blend it in so it's not like this harsh line as you can see, I'm just taking the second brush that I used and I'm just going to take and swirl it in. Nice little swirly motions to get it a little bit softer looking and blend a little more seamlessly. Did you see how far I pull it in? To right here. Okay. Oh, here goes the Christmas music. Is everybody ready for this? Because can you tell I love the holidays? Yes, I'm a whack job. Can you imagine being one of my clients? Like, I feel bad for him because I'm really weird. Okay, so going back into the purple color with my Real Techniques brush, I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to put it right. I'm literally dabbing in the corner. Yeah, I dance for my clients too. They get to see me dance and whatnot. Dabbing, dabbing. Okay, so I think I forgot to tell you why you look down. I think I did. Notice I'm always looking down. Well, the reason why being is because when you're looking straight on, right? So if I was sitting here just looking at myself in the camera trying to do my makeup, you can't see what you're working with, right? So when you're looking down, you can see the whole eyeball, right? Then you know what you're working with. You know where your crease is. You know where above your crease is. This is why you always look down. I'm feeling it. So don't freaking go brown. So I went in with this color right here. And I'm actually going to go back over the top of it with this color just to brighten it up a titch. Oh, yeah. This is going to be good. Okay, so take that other color, brighten it up a bit. It leaves it still like this really pretty pink color, but it just brightens it up just a bit more, which you kind of want to lighten up the middle of your eye, especially when you're going to go with this dark of a color on your eyes. Like you need to have some kind of a pop of like, whoop, bright, or else you'll kind of just look like you're goth, which is fine if you love goth, but you know, there's my 2 cents on that one. As you can see, I have gone ahead and I put on my mascara and I have got my tape on my eyes. So I'm going to do winged liner, and this is going to be your all-time easiest way, cheat way to do an eyeliner. So I'm taking the roller liner by Benefit, and I'm going to take it, and we're just going to use this big thing because that way I can see and I can show you something. Okay, so when you're doing your liner, I start here in the inner corner. Now, some people start on the outside. If it makes you feel comfortable to start on the outside, start on the outside. I just lightly work my way up and I draw my line out, right? Then I come down from it and I just make it a little bit thicker. So I draw my baseline and then I thicken it up from there. Just a little bit more into the corner. Just a hair bit thicker. These are really nice liners because they're very thin. So they are done. If you accidentally get too much product like right up in here, all you have to do is go back in. Now, my Morphe palette did not have it, so I'm just going to go back in with Kat Von D, and I'm just going to go into this color right here. So any, you know, color. Oh, and you know what you could do? You could even go into your pressed powder. Let's just do that for. So we're going to go into the pressed powder. I'm just going to take this tiny little brush, JH42 by Jaclyn Hill, and you just take it and go over the top of it, and it hides any little imperfection that you may have caused yourself, right? You got it too high up on the by the eyebrow? No problem. I got you. To darken up your eyes even more, because it's nighttime, it's sexy time, we're going to go in, and I'm actually going to go in with this color. This is the color I used before, but I'm actually going to go in with this color. And I'm going to take my even smaller Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to get it right on there. I'm going to go right underneath my eyes. Let me get a mirror so you guys can see what I'm doing actually. I'm actually going to go on the little bit of the outside of my liner. Dipping in again, getting the excess off. I'm going to darken this up just a bit more. So I'm actually going to go in with this color right here. And I'm going to take this little small Real Techniques brush and I'm just going to go in. And I'm just going to deepen up just a hair bit more. Just literally right here in the corner. Do you see this? Yes. Right here in the corner. I just went in with my Ofra little blush and highlight duo. And I went into this color right here with my little pointed brush. And I just went into this insides of my corners, because I was not feeling any of the colors that were in Morphe. So away I went. We're gonna start with Hoola. And I'm gonna use another Real Techniques brush. Contouring. Ladies, is it essential? Yes, it is. So make sure you do it. Why is contouring essential? Because it gives you definition to your face. It gives you cheekbones that you may not have. It gives you a smaller forehead if you have a big forehead, if you feel like you have a big forehead. And it just adds a little bit of color to your face. I'm seriously loving this for such a good price. The Ofra Madison Miller blush and highlight thing all in one. I'm really digging it. So I'm sticking with it. Another Real Techniques brush. I'm going to do their blush. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to take and I'm going to do my highlighter first, and then I'm going to put my blush on. And actually, I'm going to go in with this color. This is the color I popped into my eyes, and this is the color I'm going to highlight with. Taking my beauty blender, I'm going to spray it on the edge because it has this nice little edge right here. And I'm just lightly dipping in. Well, hell, I just got into my blush. Whatever. And take it and just pat it on. Pat, pat, pat. Oh, that's really pretty. Show you what happens if you accidentally get your contouring too dark, or you feel like, so it's gotten a little too dark right through here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my setting powder. So I have Too Faced, I have Laura Mercier. I'm really loving her powder, so I've been trying it out. So I'm just going to go into it with a nice big brush, right? Tap off the excess and just go over the top of it. And it calms it right down. Now we're going to do blush. Going in with my little favorite thing. I quite like this color. So I'm just going to lightly tap it on. And I kind of like sometimes to put it over the top of my highlighter because it kind of just mellows my highlighter out just a bit. Other side. Do you need blush? Yes, you do. Don't even question it. Don't even question it. Like, I don't like blush, whatever. I don't care. I don't care if you like blush. You need to use blush. So I'm going to take my little pointed brush, actually, and I'm going to go down my nose with the little highlighter. We're just going to go right down the middle. Just like this, okay? Just smoothing it in with my fingers. Go right here over the lips. Why go over the lips? It makes them appear bigger. It gives them like a little bit of sheen. So it's like the first thing that you see. It's like, ooh, you're sexy. Oh, I know, honey. I know. See? Okay, so next, I'm actually going to go and I'm going to pop on these eyelashes. And I'm going a little crazy with the eyelashes because why not? We're going out. And it's a hot time on the town with either our girlfriends or hubby or wife or whoever. So Selfie in Flutter lashes. Quite enjoy Flutter lashes. Some of their lashes, not so much, but I'm actually going to do these. They're called Selfie. So I'm going to go and I'm going to pop these on and I'll be right back. I'm drinking water. Yes, I am. And if you guys ever want to find the best mug ever, Stanley mugs. Why? Because they fit in your cup holders. Now I need a swig of Diet Coke, Diet Mountain Dew. Popped on my lashes. Love, love, love them. I'm going to do mascara underneath. I'm using the Thrive mascara. You can use whatever you need to use. I'm going to have to say, though, okay, so some people are like, do I need to put on fake lashes? You know, here's the answer. No, right? No, you can use your own eyelashes. And then I actually found this pretty awesome eyeliner. It's actually kind of a plum color. It is by the Balm, Mr. Right. And it doesn't say the color. Oh, yes, it does. Oh my gosh, see more romance. This is it. Oh, yes. So I'm just going to put it in my waterline. I hope it shows up. Let's see if it will. I really need to learn how to do my mirror right here, so you guys can see. You know what I need? I need a really cute mirror. You know who has a cute mirror? Tati. It says, it's like she holds it up, right? And it says, who's the fairest of them all? And it's so freaking cute. So I need to find one of those. Waterline. Since it says see more romance, I feel like it needs to be used. It really does. Okay, so let's actually spray the face. I'm going to spray it today with Anastasia of Beverly Hills, doing setting spray. Do I need setting spray? That is the biggest question. Yes, you do. Why? It keeps it on all night. I'm going to line my lips with Urban Decay in Broken. So I was watching on TV, which I never watch commercials. I always fast forward. I can't talk and do this at the same time. And I watched this thing, and it's Bobbi Brown, and she's doing some makeup, and she's teaching people how to do makeup. And her biggest things were, don't overline your lips, which I don't, because I don't need to. And, ooh, that's a pretty color. Like the liner and like the color. So I'm using MAC Bare Bling for the lipstick. And for the lip gloss, I'm going to use Smith & Colt in the color Bisque. So very neutral. Because your eyes are dark, do not wear funky lipstick. Oh my gosh, wait. Hold on. I didn't put anything up on underneath my brow bone. Well, that's stupid. So I'm going to take underneath my brow bone because we should. And I'm actually going to go in with this color right here. I'm going to go right up underneath my brow bone. So you guys, again, I'm only here to enhance beauty. If you don't like what you see or hear, please don't be ugly about it. Just move on, and I won't be offended. Please subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at Over the Top Beauty. And please like and comment. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.